Hey guys! Today, let's talk about families. That's me. I'm Shanae. And this is my family. My husband is Marianne. My husband is Marianne. My daughter is Ida. My daughter is Ida. And my son is Teo. My son is Teo. She is my daughter. Her name is Ida. Her name is Ida. Her father is Marianne. Her father is Marianne. Her brother is Teo. Her brother is Teo. And I'm her mother. I'm her mother. He is my son. His name is Teo. His name is Teo. His father is Marianne. His father is Marianne. His sister is Ida. His sister is Ida. And I'm his mother. I'm his mother. He is my husband. His name is Marianne. His name is Marianne. His daughter is Ida. His daughter is Ida. I'm his wife. I'm his wife. His son is Teo. His son is Teo. They are my children. Their names are Teo and Ida. Their names are Teo and Ida. Marianne is their father. Marianne is their father. I'm their mother. I'm their mother. Marianne and I are their parents. Marianne and I are their parents. This is our house. These are its windows. These are its windows. And this is its door. This is its door. What about you? What about your family? Who are your children? How about your mother? Your father? Your wife? Or your husband? Let's review possessive adjectives. So, Shanae, or I, I'm Shanae, so I goes to my, as in Teo is my son. How about Teo? Teo, he is Teo, so he goes to his, as in Ida is his sister. How about Ida? She is Ida, so she goes to her, as in Marianne is her father. How about our house? It is our house, so it goes to its, as in this is its door. Let's look at Marianne and I. We. So we goes to our, as in Teo and Ida are our children. Teo and Ida are our children. Let's look at Teo and Ida. They are Teo and Ida. And they goes to their, as in Marianne and Shanae are their parents. Marianne and Shanae are their parents. Let's review the vocabulary. Repeat after me. Let me hear you say it. Mother, mother. Wife, wife. Father, father. Husband, husband. Parents, parents. Son, son. Daughter, daughter. Children, children. Great. Okay, let's practice. Look at this family. Liz and Philip are married. Their children are George, Bill, and Anne. Anne is married to Ted. And their children are Diana and Robert. So, let's complete some sentences with his, her, or their. For example, number 1, I saw Liz with her husband, Philip. Now you try. Look at number 2. I saw Anne and Ted with their children. That's right. I saw Anne and Ted with their children. Number 3. I saw Ted with his wife. I saw Ted with his wife, Anne. Number 4. I saw George with his brother Bill. I saw George with his brother Bill. Well done. Number 5. I saw Anne with her brother Bill. That's right. I saw Anne with her brother Bill. Number 6. I saw Liz and Philip with their son Bill. I saw Liz and Philip with their son Bill. Number 7. I saw Anne with her parents. That's right. I saw Anne with her parents. Number 8. I saw Diana and Robert with their parents. I saw Diana and Robert with their parents. Well done. Good job. Thanks for watching today. See you in class. Bye.